And this gentleman actually is a master from Japan. Morrnah, please.
This is Kotsukawa Sensei, and he's come from Japan. I think Norma could talk and explain a little bit more about it, would you?
Okay. We have a ritual to go through. Would you please stand and observe it with us?
Sensei.
That was a ritual of the presenting of the lotus and the clearing of the place from a master from Japan. Years ago, Morrnah studied and was and became and still is a student of Zen. You know what the sound of two hands clapping is like. Can you tell me what the sound is of one hand clapping? That is called a koan. And in this search for this koan, one learns by trying to answer the question. Morrnah's koan was a lotus. Bring me a lotus before you leave this shrine, this temple. Find me your lotus. Morrnah hunted because she had a deadline to bring this lotus to the Zen master. She looked all up and down. Where could she find a lotus? When it was out of season, here in Hawaii where they're not that easy to find. Because a lotus, the story of the lotus begins that it grows in the mud. And through its growth beneath the water, searching for sunlight, it grows through the water until it finally gets up to the top of the water and it blossoms out. The blossoming itself is a symbol of enlightenment. Morrnah had to discover this lotus for herself. And in her search, in her quest, she could not find this lotus at all. And as far as Morrnah was concerned, this was it. She didn't find it to present to the master. She would have failed. In her own heart, in her own belief, this was it for her. She went back with heavy heart to the master, intent on telling her that she was sorry. She could not find the lotus anywhere. The golden lotus, which is a symbol of enlightenment. There are things with colors, with a lot of people, and it has its energy. En route to the shrine, just outside the doorway, she came across a hibiscus, a little bud just beginning to open and blossom. She stopped and she looked at it. It was an orange hibiscus. And she picked it up. The hibiscus happens to be a state flower, and it's common all over the place. There are over 2,000 varieties of it. In a last effort, not as a substitute, but sort of like an animal with a tail between the legs coming up to the master, I have nothing to offer. Would you accept this? And the master looked at her as this blossom begins to open. He said, this, Morrnah, is your lotus. This hibiscus is your lotus. And the lotus was just given to her again by the master of Japan, and this was the ritual that we had to go through. And Morrnah just received the lotus. Is there?
And then I'd like you to talk presenting the lotus.
Morrnah, in her own way and symbolic.
This is what we're told we ought to give as a cause of the seed.
See? I'm learning. We were told to give you as a seed, just the beginning, as a symbology, this lotus from us. And this lotus we brought here in the form or symbology of the lotus is a hibiscus. And we would like to present this to you from us, from Morrnah, as our symbol of our seed to you.
Yeah, we'll bring the basket here.
We'll bring the basket here, and they will come up and receive it individually.
Sensei.
Sort of like appreciation for looking down, casting out of love. You must remember that this red and yellow represents a lot of things in Hawaiian. It's a royal color. Red is the first color of the rainbow.
It's just a symbology, but however, the seed that you have deposited in this calabash of universality the other day has sprouted, and according to the eye, that this is your gift. So we present your gift today. There are some who are not here because they're not ready to receive them. So accept the gift of the divine through us, Sensei, Art, and I. Will you come forward?
Step in the first row.
Yes.
Can I joke when they come here?
Okay. And Sensei, you give them.
I kiss the girls.
Okay.
You kiss the boys. Take a little mic.
He's going to kiss the girls and I kiss the boys. Well, this is a treat. Thank you.
I feel like it's graduation time.
Would all of you come up in the front here, please? No, Sensei, come here. Let them come up. They must earn their little awards. Yeah.
I don't want to kiss you.
I do. I do.
Thank you, Morrnah.
Congratulations. God bless you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
for everything.
I'm gonna get 2 kisses.
You said two.
2 kisses from him.
Thank you, Mark.
Thank you. Thank you.
I need that.
Like family too.
Thank you, Mr. Campbell.
Thank you.
And thank you very much. I really
Thank you.
Why did you bring him back? Selfish thing.
For everything. Oh, yeah.
Oh, here we go again.
Thank you.
thank you for coming.
God bless.
Everything's well that ends well, huh? Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thanks for the weekend, dear.
Oh, thank you.
That's my name.
Thank you.
Beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you. Bless you.
You smell onions on my breath. That's onions.
Thank you. Bless you.
Thank you, Mark.
Thank you. Thanks you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Morrnah.
Thank you. Bless you.
Bless you. Matches my dress.
Certainly does.
Thank you. Thank you, Morning.
Thank you.
You give me two.
Thank you.
Thank you, sweet. Well, look who's here. Thank you.
Yes, Morrnah.
Thank you for sharing with us.
Thank you.
Are you kissed out?
No, I'm not. Never.
Thank you. Well, look who's here.
Oh, thank you very much. It's already work.
Not much.
We haven't met yet.
No, when is
Still kiss me. We'll be seeing each other. My name is Barbara.
No, you're not. I'm fine.
Thank you.
Good luck to you.
Oh,
Oh, wow. Just thank you for what love you.
You are what you're body.
Can I give you a kiss too?
Now we're open for discussions.